Hi, it's Susanne and welcome. Today I'm going to explain to you the difference between ja and doch. Let's have a look at the first question. Trinkst du gern Kaffee? That's a very direct question, so you can say ja. Direct question, direct answer. Now let's have a look at the following question. Trinkst du keinen Kaffee? And now you can see the keinen as a negation within the sentence, and it does express some doubt from the speaker, from the person who's asking the question. Don't you drink coffee? And then you answer with doch, confirming, yes, I do drink coffee. Let's have a look at the next example. Gehst du am Samstag aus? Direct question, you answer with ja. Okay, let's have a look at the next example. Gehst du am Samstag nicht aus? You can see in the question the negation nicht. So the person who's asking this question isn't sure whether yes or no, has some doubt. So you're going to answer doch, confirming you are going to go out. Another example, kochst du gern? Direct question, direct answer, ja. Kochst du nicht gern? Don't you like cooking? You can see the negation nicht, so your answer will be doch. Maybe one more example, hast du viele Freunde? Direct question, direct answer is ja. Hast du keine Freunde? Don't you have friends? And the answer is doch. I do have friends. You can see again the negation in that question, keine. I hope that made it clear to you. So what I have now for you, I'm just coming up with some questions. They will fly in and you just think in your mind or say it out loud, is the answer ja oder doch? Magst du Kuchen? Ja. Sitzt du nicht gern im Garten? Doch. Fliegst du nicht morgen nach Berlin? Doch. Hast du Zeit? Ja. Findest du das Foto nicht schön? Doch. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the lesson, the difference between ja und doch. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will create more videos like these. And have a great day. Tschüss!